Hi guys! Welcome ulit iti YouTube channel tayo JCQ Net TV ken iti Facebook page tayo JCQ Online TV. Iti karita gundaway mga kaibigan ket inakipadanon dito panakiya sarsarita mi ken ni Sarata Mayor Remigio Medrano. Nakisarsarita kami tay kalabes kanyana gagayon ken kabsat kabayatan iting company presenter iti maysa kari iti mapagdidinamagan a produkto iti probinsya ng Ilocos Norte detoy Doc Honey Stibicos. Gagayon ken kabsat ket kabayatan iting kami panakis istorya kanyana kabayatan iting kami panangi press presenter iti nadakamat a produkto gagayon ken kabsat ket ditoy met nga na-share na wenno na istorya na no kasano apay abimolosok iti wenno limobo iti naapektaran iti karaytoy COVID-19 iti ili ti Sarat Ilocos Norte itay napalabas nga aldaw gagayan ken kaabsat. Intay padanon nga rod detoy panakisarsarita tayo panangistorya na no kasano nga limobo iti COVID cases iti ili ti Sarat Ilocos Norte itay kalabes. Kaya iti sampay nga nakasubscribe iti YouTube channel tayo JCQ Net TV. Subscribe kayon mga kaibigan. Can don't forget to click the notification bell. Tap no di kasta ket no adarigite new content when new videos tayo ngayon nag-i-upload mga kaibigan kat automatic ngayon kayo ma-notify. Can of course i-follow yo, i-like yo ti Facebook page tayo JCQ Online TV. Taditoy iti pakaamuan nyo digiti nagduduma nga istorya, issues, damag mabasbasamak iti uneg iti probinsya ng Ilocos Norte mga kaibigan. Hindi nga rod buyaen detoy sa balimanan nga content tinumutubiyang iti karitoy nga gundawan.
Dito sa Sarat, I could say that we were able to contain the spread already.
Okay.
Ang nangyari lang kasi dyan is yung unang-una, honesty,
True.
disiplina.
Yes. Yes. Oo.
Itong mga pamilya na affected, they have been hiding the disease. They have not been very honest kung sino yung mga
Sila mabainda.
sino yung mga nakapulpula-pulda.
Correct.
Even to the extent that they were trying to hide that they have instituted a party. Yun ang nag-aggravate ng situation. Kaya ang daming na even the yung INC 38 talabang napaka-sinungaling. Hindi niya sinasabi na mayroon siyang dinalang anak niya doon sa kanyang biyanan, doon sa isang barangay. Up to the extent na kinabahan din siya. Yan yung kasagsagan ng ng issue. The following day, napannamadla ang inala. By the time napan na inala, naakaranda di binanan. So, when we accosted him, maraming testigo na nagpapatunay na nagpunta silang mag-ama doon. Pati yung bata. At may nagpapatunay na kinuha rin nila the following day.
They kept on denying kasi
So,
yun yung
they kept on denying, they kept on trying to hide. Kaya kasla naging limelight ang Sarat.
Yes.
Because of the number of people that was infected.
Correct.
Just because of this kulang sa disiplina, kulang sa honesty.
Kat kumusta tatan sir awan di parang na?
Well, I hope that it will end now.
Yes.
We're crossing our fingers. Ang daming kasinungalingan na nangyayari, even the barangays, when we accosted them, kung ano ang mga naging activities nitong mga pamilya na to. They are not talking. They were not even telling na mayroong party na ginanap.
Oh my God.
Because alam nila, natatamaan sila sa amin.
Isumat lang kasi nga.
Because we had been having dialogue with them every week. Kung minsan nakakadalawang beses pa kami sa isang linggo. Dito mismo. Kung ano yung mga protocols. Don't allow gatherings.
Correct.
Yung sinasabi nila, wala kaming alam, walang nangyari. But when somebody called me, telling, middle of the night, Mayor, nagpa-birthday party ang isang nag-positive.
Oh my
Ay,
God.
gosh.
So immediately, I have to call my PNP, my RHU, do the contact tracing immediately. Tapos, kinausap nila yung INC43 who hosted the party. Nung una, ayaw niyang sabihin.
Hilaw ako.
Wala ata siya
Kasi, ayaw niyang sabihin. Pero noong may mga binanggit na nagte-testify yung ano niya. Ang sabi nga, hindi po, mga sampu lang yung inimbitahan ko. So, you see, even to the last minute, he is trying to hide. Lumabas sa contact tracing, almost 100 ang pumunta.
My gosh. Almost 100?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Meron pang tiga-sulso na. Halos mahigit 20.
Ayun.
Buti, hindi na nakapulot ng virus. Yung mga tiga-sulso na.
Yes.
Now, this is very disgusting. And
Gusto mo't lang alis nung anak pa nga to. Ayun, sir. TK says.
Kasi sungarod at nung malaman namin ito, tapos na, nagawa na. Kumbaga sa nangyari na last week, ngayon palang lumalabas.
Oh my God. Oo.
Ngayon palang,
When it's only now, man talaga.
tapos, even yung, yung isang nakatira rin doon sa bahay nila, nung kainitan na, lumayas sa bahay. Pumunta sa ibang barangay.
Naku, patay!
Pumunta sa barangay 8. Pero hindi pa sila tested.
Yes.
They're trying to hide.
Eh di, what about those,
Luckily, nag-negative itong mag-asawang to. Pero the thing is, when there were contact trace and investigation are ongoing, hindi nila sinasabi ang totoo. Hindi nila sinabi na nagbantay pa sila sa ospital. You see? This all boils down to discipline, honesty. It's not an issue of there was a community
Correct, sir.
transmission or local transmission. It's because of dishonesty of people.
Correct, sir.
Kasi ang very simple yan, sabi ko. Magsabi lang ng totoo ng mga to. Hindi
Tapos
ganito.
na.
Hindi ganito kalawak ang Pati yung INC 43. Pinatutukan ko yon. Hindi niya sinasabi kung sino yung mga nakakausap niya. Wala rin gustong magsalita. Pati yung mga kapurukan nila.
Oh my God.
Pati doon sa kabilang barangay.
Oh my God.
Noong malala na ito, you pin down these people, sabi ko sa PNP. Nagsabi ng totoo.
Correct.
Yung mga kinakausap na niya. So immediately, nung mga lumalabas na yung mga pangalan, I put them in the quarantine and have them tested immediately.
Correct. Continue the issue nga, you've been fighting with each other, blah.
Just because of that. Because what has the barangay done to follow the protocol? Katulad nung nagpadaya, bakit nililihim nila? Nililihim nila. Pangalawa, andyan na nga yung problema. Itong asawa ng INC 45 na naakara ni dinagpadaya. Nasa quarantine facility namin. But because one night, nag-aano yung asawa niya na parang nahihirapan huminga. So, immediately we dispatch yung aming ambulance to pick the wife at around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, ang problema ganito, meron pala silang anak na bata. Something mga 4 years old yata. walang mapapag-iwanan. Alam naman natin, we cannot compromise the health of the child
Correct.
to bring to the hospital.
Correct.
Oh, you see? You agree with me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That we should not bring to the hospital
Yes.
yung bata.
Oo.
Lalo-lalo na mayroon nang sinasabi
Yes.
na nahihirapan siya.
So what had happened sa bata, sir, na 4 years
Ang
old?
tagal na pinag-awayan, 5 o'clock, mag-aalas 10 na.
Daw gabi?
Ng gabi. So I have to make a very,
Immediate,
Decision.
immediate decision.
sinabi ko yung kapitan, kung ayaw mong i-custody yung bata, I will file a case against you, sabi ko sa kanya. Because, sila ang may ng ano niyan eh. Merong
Hindi ayaw niya i-custody
responsibility.
because of, takot din.
Yun nga ang sinasabi niya. He is
takot
not
din.
revealing in the radio, in
Yes.
the interviews, yung sabi niya sa akin, Mayor, yung pamilya nila, naakaranan, kasanupang nga roden. I tell you, sabi ko, yung bata, wala pang diagnose. Yung nanay, wala pang diagnose. But we need to bring the nanay sa hospital.
Correct.
And remember, sabi ko sa kanya, you as the chairman of the BHERTS, maliwanag yung responsibility ninyo.
Tama.
As BHERTS, kayo dapat ang mag-custody.
Correct.
Kayo dapat ang mag-monitor ng mga positive cases
True.
and possible primary contacts of these people.
Correct, sir.
So are you now telling me na ayaw nyo? Mag-agsasarita akong karot. I cannot wait for their decision. So by 10:30 in the evening, sabi ko kay doktora, isakay nyo na yung pasyente, pati yung anak. I know that they will not accept in the hospital, pero subukan natin. Ganun ang nangyari. Dinala pati yung bata sa hospital. Napagalitan pa sa hospital. Eh, bakit yung dinala rito? Compromise yung health. So, what is the option? Walang gustong mag-custody.
My God, wala. Sir, I can understand naman their part. Talagang handa nga kaya't ni Custodio Ubing. Siyempre, malay mo, hantay maam mo, no? Nobody knows nga pati dati Ubing got affected already.
Yes, but you have to remember, they have their function, their responsibility
Correct.
being BHERTS and the
Yes.
barangay officials.
Correct.
And there are circulars after circulars issued by DILG identifying their function during this pandemic.
Correct.
So anong nangyari? We have to talk with the father who is in our quarantine. Baka pwedeng doon na dalhin yung bata. In as much as, sabihin na natin na expose na rin sa kanya. Pero there's no guarantee at that time na ring bata, meron na rin. Pwedeng nangyari yung bata because she stayed with his father for almost 2 days before she was tested.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh. Oo, tama.
Nung na-testing, nag-positive.
So, to cut the story short, pati bata.
Kasi bata, positive.
Oh my God. Oh my
Had it been that kinustody ng BHERTS o yung barangay, it could be a different story.
Correct.
Yung kanilang katwiran na wala silang experience, etc., etc., ang liwaliwanag ng circular
Correct.
that they have to be prepared with all these things. If they need PPEs, the RHU, the LGU will provide them. Sinabi ko pa sa kanya, if you need PPEs, we will provide you.
Grabe, sir.
Sir, DG, 13 nga naging okay, nakaraman si Ubing EJ, sir? Di ba, the 13 nga naka-recover, sir?
Well, naibati pa lang tayo, Bing.
Okay.
Ibati mi pa lang.
Sir, then always remember, taorin na okay lang, sir. This COVID-19 kasi, there are different strains. Ako kasi, ang tawag dito, research sir, and which is true, kasi kita, hindi ni Juan, ni Pimentel, di ba? Oo. Di Juan, okay, so na, di Juan, nag-positive ulit. Kasi another strain to man, ti-create, bacteria dyan,
No,
nag-tibagis.
nobody can say that
Yeah.
it's a new strain again. Pero ayon sa sinasabi naman, nagbabasa rin ako. No?
Mm.
It could be that when you are retested, the testing mechanism will be able to detect the virus even if it's already a dead cell in your body.
Pwede rin, yes.
Pwede rin niyang
pwede
ma-detect.
rin. Opo.
Oh. Bakit si Pimentel at saka yung iba, even Senator Subiri, they're all very healthy because they have been found, it has been found na patay yung na-detect nila. I hope it is.
I hope
So nobody knows what really is happening with this virus.
Correct. Kasi bombarded with orchestra na complex pa sir of different kinds of bacteria and cells sir. Napakatalino, imagine orchestra na complex pa, different kinds of bacteria and chemicals. So syempre, what will you syempre, and kung mahina yung immune system mo, ay babagsak ka talaga. So you see, dagiti especially dagiti matatanda, wag niyo lang palabasin kasi they are compromised. Bakit? Sila yung maraming sakit. So, kung may sakit ka...
This is the dilemma that we have in the LGU now. They were returned to the barangay already.
Yes, sir.
Walang gustong lumapit.
Correct.
Even the barangay officials. So, who is discriminating? Is it the LGU or the barangay? Tell me.
Correct.
Tell me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not just trying to justify my actions, but I stand by my actions and the actions of my RHU.
Correct.